Hi, I'm Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and I love decorating for the holidays and Christmas especially. And so today I would love to take a few minutes and share with you how I decorated my storefront window and my studio. And also I have some exciting news, so hold tight for that too. So this is the first year in my new downtown studio where I have windows and a lot of room. So it was really fun to decorate. So in the fall, our downtown development asked if I would be interested in participating in their Christmas on Main Street. So I was going to offer a free Christmas card making during that time. It's really a cool event that they do in our local downtown. And then as it got closer to the holiday season, I found out that there was a storefront contest too. So me and my daughter Caitlin, she's 11 years old, we spent countless hours and we made a lot of our decoration. So I'm going to show you that and explain maybe how we put some of this stuff together, because some of these things you could use at home, or maybe you have a small business or something. And so just different cute ideas, and show you some of the displays I have here in the studio. So let's start off over here. I saw this idea on Pinterest, and so this is an old wooden ladder. So I asked my dad if he had an old ladder, and he in fact did, and he said it didn't look old enough, and so he actually took his leaf blower and torched it so it looked a little bit older. And now you'll see we have all these really pretty ornaments, and they're just hung with fishing wire, and some of them are hung individually, but then others, let me see if I can find one. Whoops, I'm trying to find one. They're double-ended anyway. Here's one right here. So this one has a string that's going all the way across and over, and so it has two bulbs on each end. So some of them are like that. And anyway, all these different, I just went with a red, silver, and white theme, and I wanted to do like a snowflake thing with snowflakes coming from the ceiling. That was really challenging, getting them up in the ceiling, but we did it, and we added lots of lights, and we have a few little Christmas trees over here. And then my inspiration was this snowman. And so me and my daughter constructed the snowman, and it was really, really difficult to make. We'll show you a picture of it on the outside, but he's actually made, can you guess what he's made of? Put it in the comments below. I'm gonna pause for a second. I'll tell you what he's made of in just 1 minute, but we also made these trees. These are made out of poster board. We took giant poster boards, rolled them up in a cone, took Elmer's glue with a foam brush, and then slathered glitter all over it to create these really pretty trees. So this one is just like an iridescent white. This is, Caitlin did this one. She wanted the white coming through, so it was like snow. And then we have a silver one up front. But anyway, okay, my snowman is made of white beach balls. Who knew there was such a thing? And we have 3 different sizes. And then to make it so it wasn't so flat, I cut up strips of tissue paper, glued it on with Elmer's glue, and then put glitter over it. Now for the branches, they're just branches I broke off from my tree at home, and I hot glued them with a low temp hot glue gun, and then it has clear packing tape to hold those. I made a cute little banner in the front there that you'll see from the outside. I'll actually pull this out after we get a front store view so you can see it up close. I'll have my husband take a picture of him up close. And then this Christmas tree was one of my grandma's, so I love that. My dad gave me this so I could put it up in the, and those were her lights and her ornaments, so that was just something really cute. I love the snowflakes hanging down. I plan to keep these through winter because again, they were kind of difficult to hang up, but we just did that with fishing line. And a lot of my ornaments and snowflakes came from, surprisingly, the Dollar Tree. They had a lot of great stuff. Over here on this display, I know I've showed it a few times, here it is again. This one is kind of my gingerbread display. We had a gingerbread suite of products, and so we have just some cute little things on display. And then I did a Santa's Workshop stamp camp, so some of those samples are on display here as well. I got this cute gnome as a Christmas gift from one of my friends, Sharon, so I love that too. I'll show you some cute gifts I got along the way. So let's head over here to this counter and let me show you a few things. We have a wreath on the door over there too. My friend Sandy made the bow. And then up here, my friend Carol got me this cute snowman, so I'll put him out here every year. I did have some stuff for sale. We have coffee and hot cocoa. And then my shelf over here. So this was kind of the card that inspired my snowman in the front window. This cute stamp set, it's called Seasonal Snowman. I believe it's in our annual catalog. You can still purchase it. And there is a snowman punch. But anyway, this was the card that inspired my snowman in the window. And you'll see lots of cards that we did over the, leading up to Christmas. And then I have this little tree here. And I just want to point out my friends Sandy and Cheryl made me these cute little gnome ornaments. I love gnomes. Out of pine cones from, I think it was Cheryl's yard. And they painted them white, and I just thought they were so cute. So I wanted to point that out. I have a little gnome tree over here anyway. So I think that was all that I had to share with you. I'm excited now to take down the Christmas stuff and start decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm still going to keep the snowflakes up, but I'm going to take down the Christmas. But before I let you go, I want to tell you the exciting news. So out of all of our downtown, there was some beautiful displays. There was a voting and contest, and I am so proud and I was so honored that our studio took first place in the entire contest. So me and my daughter were super excited, and so this was our prize. So we won. This is our trophy right here. So it's lit up. It might be hard to see, but we get to keep this for a whole year, and we get to turn it in next year. We also won a gift certificate for, I can't even remember now how much, but we won a very generous gift certificate, which maybe covered most of the supplies we bought to put up. But it was super fun, and me and Caitlin just had a wonderful time decorating this together. I made little garland here too. So here's some little Stampin' Up stuff. This garland is made with our designer series paper and just circle punches, and they're just sandwiched together with dimensionals and twine. And then in the front of this table, there is also another garland made out of paper with our Stampin' Up paper. So thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching my videos. I know this isn't paper crafting today, but I hope it's fun, and maybe you got some ideas for how you can decorate for the holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.